Hello everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at how to make a pendrive bootable using command prompt and how to install Windows using that. Before starting, the prerequisites needed are a minimum 8 GB of pendrive and a disk image file of your preferred Windows. If you do not have a disk image file with you, you can either directly download it from Microsoft website or you can get a pirated one. I will provide the link for both in the description. So let's get started. Click on Start, type CMD and run it as administrator. On the open console, type disk part and press enter. This will open the disk management. Now type list disk and press enter. This will list all the active disk on your system. Now we have to locate and select the pen drive. Mine is a 57 GB pen drive, so I should type select disk 2 and press enter. Disk 2 is now the selected disk. It means any further operation that we are going to do will affect our disk 2 directly. Now type clean and press enter. This will remove all of the data present in the USB flash drive. Now type create partition primary and press enter. This will create primary partition in the selected disk. Now we have to make the partition active. For that, type active and press enter. After marking the partition active, now we need to assign a drive letter to it. For that, type assign and press enter. Now a pop-up will come with the assign drive letter. Click format on it. This will format your USB drive. When the format is complete, type exit and press enter to leave the disk part. Now we should mount the disk image file of Windows we want to install. Right click on the disk image file and select mount. If you are using 7 or older versions of Windows, you will need a third-party application to mount disk image files. In that case, you can use WinCD EMU or Daemon tools. I will provide the link for both in the description. Now we have mounted the disk image. Go back to command and type the drive letter of mounted disk image. That is L. So type L : and press enter. Now type cd boot and press enter. After that, type bootsec.exe/nt60 followed by the drive letter of pen drive, that is H. So type H : and press enter. This will create the master boot code that is compatible with boot manager to the USB drive. Now open the mounted drive, select all files and copy it to the USB drive. If you want, you can do this using the scopy command too. So now you are done creating a Windows 10 USB drive. Now let's see how to install Windows using that. Wait for the copying process to finish and restart the PC. As soon as the computer's startup screen appears, press the BIOS key to enter the BIOS settings. From there, find the boot menu section and select your pen drive's name. System is now booting from the pen drive. Installation setup has begun now. From there, you can select your preferred language, time and currency format, and keyboard. Click on Install now. Check the accept box and click Next. Choose Custom Install. Here you can see all the partitions available on your system. From this, select the partition you want to install Windows and click Next. Now this process can take several minutes to an hour depending on your system, and also it can restart your PC a couple of times while the installation. I'm gonna fast forward this. Now select your region. Select the keyboard layout you want. And we can skip this. The installation has completed now, and if you are having any doubt or queries, let me know in comments. Thanks for watching.